Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first footage of the new sail. Very slight breeze, very gentle paddle, and I'm doing 8.5 kilometers an hour, and it's so easy. Yeah, man. Something I could never do with the wind paddle was sail and paddle at the same time. Make longer distances more of a pleasure and not get back to base feeling like I'm all wrung out. This is really nice. The gentlest of breezes. Beautiful. There's the rest of the sail up there. The dam's gone down about 10 feet now from when it was full, but there's still an awful lot of water. Look at that. An awful lot of water over there. Smoke on the horizon over the hills. There's a bushfire over that way somewhere and they can't get at it because there's no roads to get into it, so it must have been caused by a lightning strike, I think, over the weekend, because we've had thunderstorms from 10 o'clock Saturday morning till 9 o'clock last night. Lightning, thunder, not much rain, fair degree of wind. Heard about some hail damage out to the east this morning. On the radio I heard it this morning. It happened yesterday apparently, and a guy lost some lambs to hail strike. Never heard of that before, but then again I'm not much of a country bumpkin anyway. I'm what they call a townie, who likes to be on the water, feel the motion of the water underneath me, makes me feel alive. It's great. In the meantime, this is nice. Very nice. And it's only early yet, it's only 20 past 9.